Gonna get a coffee quick, decaf, then we'll be on our way. This is awesome. Dude, check this place out. Look, it's got like audio controls. It's got like a little tea kettle. Do you see these bedrooms? Look at this. Little bedroom over there. It's nuts. You must have a formula to follow, a proven formula to follow. Now what I teach for affiliate marketing is ad to get the people, is a pre-sale page, your web page, to get people agitated about their problem enough to buy, and the third step is an affiliate product or offer. Now there's multiple different formulas you can follow. There's the, drop shipping formula. There's people that do cryptocurrency trading. There's ways to start businesses as a digital consulting agency where you're getting leads, but follow a proven system and it will greatly increase your chances of success, and don't vary from it. Hey guys, that was an awesome boat trip. We just got finished going sailing. I learned how to bit of the tacking and all this stuff with the jib lines and the ropes and all this crazy stuff. It was pretty cool. We're actually standing right out in front of, check this out, Larry Ellison's boat. So this boat is worth $65 million. This guy is a multi-billionaire, founder of Oracle, and I guess a lot of rich people sail, which is pretty cool, and I'm starting to learn how to myself. But the third thing you're gonna wanna know for your business is you want to follow a proven formula. And most people who get started with internet businesses, they don't follow a proven formula. Why? I don't understand it. But for every business, there's a formula. And some of the formulas you want to follow are, I show this in my free training. You can sign up for one of my free trainings somewhere down in the links in the description of this video, or maybe around the internet. You've maybe seen some of my ads. But basically, my formula for making money online is I do ad, pre-sale page, offer. And that's used by thousands and tens of thousands of affiliates. Don't mess up the formula. In other businesses, if you're starting a digital marketing, agency, you need to get leads. You need to get leads, have them schedule calls with you, and get on the phone with them and sell them on whatever your package is. Okay, if you're selling info products, you want to use webinars. Okay, you want to use webinars to sell. It's ad, opt-in, webinar, pitch. Or product. Okay, if you're doing e-commerce, there's a proven formula. You're setting up e-commerce stores. For each of these, for each of these things, there's there's some minutia. You want to use urgency. All of these things are marketing tactics. But for all these businesses, you want to follow a proven formula. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Okay, this is not about reinventing the wheel. Just copy, paste almost exactly what other people are doing in whatever business model you're going into, and refine it along the way. That's the way to become successful. So, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. We're starting to travel a little bit. I don't know if you guys have seen some of the recent vlogs. We're going places. We're doing lots of fun stuff. As always, like this video if you guys got some sort of special information from this, and leave a message in the comments of where you would like to see me do a vlog from next. If there's a certain place in the world where you would like to see me do a vlog from, leave it in the comments. I'd love to know where you guys would like to see me next. And as always, let me know if there's certain material or video subjects that you would like me to address to help you create your successful, profitable internet business that fuels your freedom. Subscribe link should be around. Subscribe to see the next videos, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take her easy.